Does your plunging technique need improvement based on how quickly and cleanly clogs clear? Start by observing the full sequence of your plunging action and timing how long it takes to restore normal drainage after each set of attempts. Use a flanged plunger for toilets and a cup plunger for sinks and showers, and confirm the rubber seal fully contacts the drain opening. If you cannot get a seal, remove excess standing water until the cup covers the drain but still allows pressure buildup. Position your hands so one holds the handle near the top for control and the other steadies lower down to manage stroke length. Keep your wrist straight to avoid energy loss through bending. Apply steady, controlled pushes and pulls of roughly the same length rather than rapid short motions, and pause after 3 to 5 strokes to test flow. If nothing changes, reseat the seal and try again. Watch for consistent streams of small air bubbles returning through the water because that indicates a poor seal or trapped air that reduces suction. Adjust angle and grip to eliminate bubbles before continuing. If clogs persist after repeated correct plunging attempts, supplement with a plumber's snake or use a safe enzyme-based drain cleaner, and always follow product instructions carefully. Common mistakes include relying on the wrong plunger type, which prevents a proper seal and wastes effort, so switch to the correct flange or cup design and confirm full contact around the drain. Another frequent issue is using only short rapid pushes, which compress air instead of moving the clog, so lengthen your strokes and maintain steady rhythm for effective pressure cycles. A third problem is overlooking leaks around the plunger handle or poor hand placement that dissipates force. Check the tool for cracks, replace if needed, and hold the handle at 2 points to stabilize each stroke. Our site, bighomeprojects.com, connects homeowners with local contractors and provides practical how-to discussions related to home repairs like plunging and unclogging drains. We offer a community forum where we share tips, ask questions, and exchange recommendations so we can solve problems faster and help contractors find work.